we can drive again. Can you go in the right lane if you can? Yes, drive, indicate.
Right more?
No, straight ahead now. Straight, it's green, so we can drive, but slowly. And then okay. That's Bunnings, that's a hardware house for the building industry mostly, where a lot of tradespeople buy their materials, like anything for in the building, from timber, whatever, tiles, building materials, kitchens, electrical, whatever.
Straight?
To the right, no, yeah, straight,
Yeah?
no, straight ahead. And that is the, I think that is the Browns Plains. Okay, straight ahead, okay. Go to the right there.
You're right here?
At the light, yes. Yeah, to the right there in the at the light. Yes. So when you turn right and you see a right arrow, a red arrow, then you have to wait till that red arrow, till that goes green. So that's when you can drive to the right, when the red arrow is green. So sometimes now it's green, so turn right, and drive like that. We have to go to the other side, on that side over there. So now I have to see how I can go there. I think there is a roundabout. I think so.
You took the wrong turn, or you...
Well, no, it depends where this goes. Try and stay in the right lane. No, we are, make a wait, slowly, stop. It's wait. You can't make a U-turn here. See, when you see a stop sign, you have to stop.
No left turn, so
Wait now.
It says no wrong.
Wait. Go further and drive, and then
Where should I go?
straight ahead. See, and then to the left there. See, you didn't see that.
No, you should. There's a sign
Yes,
there.
well,
Wrong turn, no entry.
Yeah. Don't go into that street.
Oh yeah.
Slow down, turn there slow. See, that's all things that you have to learn, isn't it?
Well, all roads is
Yeah, I know, it's all different.
all different.
Yeah, okay.
There's no such thing as the same. I mean, some. But
Okay, wait now, you gotta wait, no, it's okay, that you can drive in this lane, keep on driving, straight ahead. Straight ahead. Okay, go in the left lane now. Wait, that car is indicating, but go in the left lane. Okay, go to the left here, go in that driveway. No, actually it's the next one. No, this one here, to the left, yes. I think it's this shop here. Okay, park here somewhere.
now the parking was
Okay,
challenging.
park next to that blue car. Slow down. Okay. Bit to the left and then to the right. Don't go too close. To the left. See, you go too close to that car. You're not straight. Well, a bit to the right now. Okay, straight and to the left. Okay. Ho.
Is that right?
Okay, yeah, that's parked. Maurice, she has parked now. It's parking and driving. That's
really.
difficult. That's one of the more you do it, the better you sort of get. But parking needs more practice. How to do
Yeah,
that,
mostly the reverse parking.
and that's even harder.
I
Is really
haven't.
you
I
even-
tried it, but I didn't make it perfect yet. So.
But
I
we
have
are
to do it more.
we are gonna do that later on. That she's gonna do more reverse parking. It's better already just to start driving and doing some. Okay, so how do you turn the key off the car? How do you turn? So there's a key there, and then you just turn it off to the left, Okay, and then pull the key out. Then you've got a key. So that's how you turn the car on and off. Okay, we are now going to the Filipina shop and do some
go.
shopping. Oh, so we are now going to the Filipina shop. I think
Where is it?
it is over there. So we've got to walk towards there a bit. And so how do you change it that it looks at us?
Turn it off first.
And now we are, or you can film it.
I should do this way.
Oh, great. And now we are going to the Filipina shop.
We're here at Filipino shop. Is it, what do you call this place?
This is Grand Plains or Marston here. So yeah, we're now going to walk over there.
Restaurant there.
Maybe go
Do you think it's closed? Cheese shop. But I think it's not closed. Maybe I have to call the owner. I hope not. Are you sure? Yeah, it's closed here in Marsden, so we have to go to another Filipino shop.
Okay, okay, yeah. Always wear a seatbelt here in Australia or in Brisbane,
Anywhere you
Australia.
wear it.
Anywhere where you drive in a car, you have to wear a seatbelt. Start the car with the key, put the key in it, turn the key, handbrake. Okay, from park. Oh, you go in reverse now. And now we are gonna reverse. Okay, when you reverse, just drive slowly backwards, and slowly turn this way, slowly. Wait. Yeah, okay, when it's clean more, go backwards more. And now start turning more. No, drive slowly, but turn a lot and reverse slowly. Okay, ho, you gotta look at the back, of course, that you're not gonna get too close or hit the car. Okay, drive to the right. Go to the right and then turn left. Okay. Turn left. Okay. Now turn left here. Okay, you can turn left when there's no cars. Okay, turn left now. Okay, now you can drive. Stay in the left lane, I think.
Straight?
In
Or we have to
100
turn left
meters,
here?
continue straight.
Okay. Oh, can you go in the right lane? Yes.
Yeah, wait.
Yeah, okay, go in that right lane. Stay in this lane here. Oh, if you can, go to the right lane. Yes, okay. Stay in that lane.
Continue straight, then use any lane to turn right onto
No.
Johnson Road.
You're right, turn right here. It's green now, so we are turning right. So when you see an
Use any
arrow,
lane to turn right onto Johnson Road, State Route 94.
stay in the right lane. And
Continue on Johnson Road for 9 kilometers.
oh wait, we can go straight ahead. Can you go in? Wait. Slow down. Yeah, you can go in the left lane after that car. Okay, drive straight ahead. Straight ahead. So it's a green light now, so you can drive, go forwards, and stay in this lane, go straight ahead. Oh, it's gonna form into one lane, so yes, just keep on driving. Look a bit to the left so no one is trying to get in on the left. Look in your left, but go straight
Yeah,
ahead. It's all good. It's going into one lane here, so that one on the left, that merged into one lane. So it's now we're driving on a road, one lane ahead and one lane back. So forwards is just a single lane. If you see a double line in the middle of the road, then you can't overtake that line. So no overtaking on double lines on the road. You can only overtake if the line, if it's like a broken line, one single broken line, you can overtake there or change lane in that or go over that only if it's like a broken line. So it's continue just straight
How long will
ahead.
it take there?
There is a 70 sign there, limit, so you only drive 70 k's on this road. Don't go over the speed limit because you will get fined. It's you can't do that. So straight ahead and just follow the cars in the front. Yeah, we are now driving like, see, that's 60 k's, so you can even go a little bit faster as long as you stay below the 70 k's on the meter. So it's a green light, so keep on driving if it's green. So you don't have to. Oh, watch that car! You see, you got to look at cars turning, and he was just making a a turn. So always look at other cars, because it's not always if you make a mistake in driving, often it's the other cars or people that can mistake. See, it said left lane and merge right, so this lane from 2 lanes it goes into 1 lane. So always be aware of that. If you see a merging lane, that 2 lanes go into 1 lane, so always
It's 80 here.
try and be aware of that. It's here it's 80, so the speed limit is 80. Don't go faster than 80. So if you look there on your meter, we are now doing 70, so we can go to the 80. And
It's depend also if in front of you if there's a car, then even if it's 80, and if there's a car in front of you, you don't really have to go faster.
yes,
Yeah.
if it's if there's more traffic or cars in the front,
You have to keep your distance.
yes, you have to try and keep your distance as well.